detergent. And then next up. Oh yeah, for this. The whole thing. And of course, and then open, so. You know what? Hey, Journey. What? What? Let's do this. That should be good. What y'all done that? Hope everybody's doing incredible. Stay motivated, stay positive, stay unique, and stay fabulous. I mean, no matter where you want to go in life, always believe in yourself. Put yourself first. And tell yourself that you can do this no matter what. You can do whatever you want in life. No matter how hard or how long it may take you to get to that standard point. But just believe in yourself and know you can get there. No matter if it takes years or decades or months or weeks or hours, you would get there. Don't let that make you feel like you can't do nothing in life just because things get hard. No matter how hard it gets, the harder it gets, that's the better it is, because that means you're going to be working your butt off, and the harder you work, all that value is going into what you want to do in life. Just to let you know. I like to see people do good in life. And then I also like to see the people that does good in life return good in life. If that makes sense. People that does good in life, I like to see them get a return favor back. Helping each other and help one another, or whatever it may take. Just be that person and stand tall for yourself and show who you represent. Represent yourself and be yourself. No matter how hard life may get, things will be tough.